2019 was our first year of these surveys, and we were basically surveying open water. There was just no kelp, little to no kelp. Be out here in 2021 and see this strong uptick in kelp is just so exciting as a scientist. And while we do know from recent satellite flyovers of this region that the current kelp canopy extent is still below that of the historical average kelp canopy extent, there is so much reason for hope, and I personally am cautiously optimistic. We know that this ecosystem is still not fully in balance and there's still restoration work to be done, but seeing this kelp and these huge beds, this uptick, I'm feeling very encouraged.